Hey guys, I'm Kevin with JCR Off-Road. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick installation of our JK Wrangler cargo basket. So here at the back corner of your hardtop, before you can get your mounting brackets installed, you're going to need to remove the two rearmost mounting fasteners. Now if you still have factory hardware, those are probably a Torx head fastener. This Jeep is equipped with these quick release thumb wheel type screws. So we're going to take these out on both sides. Once you have those out of the way, you can get this bracket slid into place. It's going to mount over there just like this. So go ahead and carefully slide it in behind the roll bar between that and the top. And then you can work it down into place. And then secure it back down with that factory hardware. So you do want to make sure that you're leaving these just a little bit loose at this time so that you have a little bit of front to rear adjustment when you're getting the basket in place. And then that bracket installation is going to be the same over on the other side. So after you have both brackets up in place, go ahead and grab your basket, carefully get it inside of here and placed up on top of the mounts. And then you'll take the 1/4 inch button head hardware, bolts through the top, get these lined up, and use a flange locking nut on the bottom. So once you have all your mounting hardware started, you can line this basket up, kind of center it between your roll bars, line it up with the back edge of the brackets here, and then begin tightening these up with a 5/32 hex. Once you have this upper mounting hardware tight, don't forget to go back and tighten down the brackets using the hardtop mounting bolts. That'll complete the install for this basket. So if you guys have any questions about this product or any other JCR Off-Road product, you can always reach out to us. You can call us at 269-353-1184 or send us an email at info@jcroffroad.com.